Okay, hi YouTube friends. Today I'm going to show you how to do burping Bobby. So this is how it's playing. Put some food, then just burping Bobby. So okay, let's do. And then that. Then let's take another one. I got onions. Woo! Then beans. So let me see what this. Let's get this one. Okay, so cheese. Then what did I go? Beans again. Woo! Then let's do. Then let's. Oh, you like it? What is this? This one. Ooh, onions. Doesn't need. Where's this one? Cola! Ooh, he loves cola. He loves one cola at a time. Ooh, it's 8 years now. Then, let's do another foodie. What is this? Pizza! Then let's eat it. Yum, yum, yum. He likes it. And one more foodie. Ooh, let's get more of the food. Then let's get some more food. Okay, bye. This is the food.